myself Anjali Rathod.
And myself, Ahmed Kachawala.
We are from Praveen Patil Polytechnic Civil Department 3rd year, and our poster presentation topic is Protection of Global Environment Against Pollution. So, global environmental protection. What is it? It refers to any action undertaken by nations to ensure that the environment is preserved in the interface or integrational equity, intra-generational equity and sustainability. So why protection is necessary? Because of environmental pollution. So what is pollution? It causes detrimental effects to nature, natural resources and mankind. Biologically characteristics to any components of the ecosystem, that is air, water and soil, which can cause harmful effects on various forms of life and property. So what we can do to avoid pollution is be the part of solution, not the part of pollution. So what you can do is do's: grow more trees, walk or bike often, more conserve energy, conserve water, use alternative source of energies. What you can do is recycle paper bags, eat vegetables, prefer bicycles or cycles. You can always throw your trash into dustbins and grow more trees, and not the part of pollution. What you can avoid is you can avoid eating non-veggies, or you can avoid public transport. You should not throw your trash in your anything, like you should not throw it anywhere. You should not do deforestation, air pollution, water pollution, and should not use plastic, and also avoid global warming. This are because you should avoid global warming. What we save saves us. Ways to prevent pollution. How you can prevent pollution? These are the various 14 points where we can prevent pollution. Throw trash in proper places, reverse bags and containers. You can stop using your containers and reverse them, reuse them. Eat organic food, don't buy products in aerosol spray cans. Use non-toxic cleaning materials, plant more trees and vegetarians. Keep volume to your TV, music low, avoid burning trashes, don't smoke, buy biodegradable products, try using natural fertilizers and pesticides. Our hunger for fossil fuels destroying the oceans. Like you can see how we are polluting our aquatic life. Why spend billions to go to Mars where we can use it to rebuild the earth? The climate is changing. Why aren't we? So, what's the conclusion? Our natural environment makes human life possible, and our cultural environment helps defines who we are. It is therefore essential that our pollution and economic growth are environmentally sustainable. So, here are the tests where we can identify if you are protecting your natural environment or your mother earth or not. Test 1. If you use plastic bags, you ignore when unnecessary lights and fans are off. You don't recycle, then you are not protecting your mother earth. Test number 2. You only use paper bags. Always prefer public transport. Eat less processed food. Always prefer use both sides of the paper. Stop buying bottled waters. Congratulations, you are helping protecting your mother earth. Now, what we can do to save our mother earth? What we can do to save our mother earth? What we can do is reduce, reuse and recycle. Reducing, cutting down on waste by using less in first place and fixing things instead of throwing them away and not causing pollution. Reuse. Reusing things again and again and giving things we don't need to others. Recycle. Recycle making of new things and something that has been used before. So these are the some people from which we can get inspired. Marine decrude ponds created biodegradable face masks from rice papers that can be planted after use to give back to the earth after noticing all the blue disposable masks face littered the street corners and leaf piles. Sustainability is not no longer doing less harm, it's about doing more good. So what we should get inspired by these kind of peoples to avoid pollution and to be safe.
Our environment.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So this was our project on environmental protection. Hope you liked it.